Yeah. Shift the frequency. Opulence in every breath. It's already mine. Penthouse views, golden sunrise, unstoppable power right behind my eyes. Every door opens, every green light stays. Abundance is flowing in a million ways. I step into royalty, I own the room. Everything I touch instantly starts to bloom. How is it that money always finds my name? I don't play the hustle, I master the game. My bank account is overflowing with ease. I live my dream life, doing what I please. Every single day, luxury is my default state. I am the creator of $1 billion fate. I am a billionaire living in pure luxury. Wealth, success and freedom flowing back to me. Gold on my path, power in my soul. Everything I want, I'm in full control. How is it so easy? How is it so clear? Abundance follows me year after year. Yeah, it's already done. It's already here. Private flights, ocean breezes in the air, manifesting millions without a single care. Generational wealth, limitless supply. My vibration is elevated endlessly high. People look at me and see pure grace. I am the ultimate standard in every space. Gratitude turns all my vision into gold. A legacy of power forever to be told. My bank account is overflowing with ease. I live my dream life, doing what I please. Every single day, luxury is my default state. I am the creator of $1 billion fate. I am a billionaire living in pure luxury. Wealth, success and freedom flowing back to me. Gold on my path, power in my soul. Everything I want, I'm in full control. How is it so easy? How is it so clear? Abundance follows me year after year. Every question I ask upgrades my reality. Why am I so magnetic to prosperity? Why does endless fortune constantly choose me? I forgive the